This dance is called The Rain Is Gone. It's a 32 count, 4 waltz. There's no tap, no restart. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Rock, recover, do a coaster step. Back, together, forward. Rock, recover, back, hook. Section 1. Rock, recover, back, coaster. Rock, recover, back, hook. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Walk, walk, forward shuffle. Rock, recover, turn shuffle. Make a half turn with the shuffle. Okay, section 2 again. Walk, walk, forward shuffle. Rock, recover, turn shuffle. With the count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. Do skate, diagonal, skate, and skate, diagonal, shuffle. Step together, step. Another skate, 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 quarter shuffle. Step together, step. So section 3, do skate, 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 step together, step, which is a shuffle, and skate, skate, quarter shuffle. So section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section. Walk 4 steps, make a half turn by walking 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8. So from here, you are facing this 3 o'clock. You walk 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1, 8. Do a jazz cross. Cross, back, side, forward. Let me repeat. Last section. From here, you walk 4 steps, make a half turn. 1 step, 2, 3, 4. The last 4 count will be the jazz cross. Cross, back, side, forward. So last section with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you finish the dance. I will do the dance without music from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1,